Hello, Willie Stoltz here, used truck sales manager for Industrial Power Truck and Equipment. Today we're going to be doing a walk around on this 2012 Chevrolet G3500. Stock number is 42003 if you'd like to take a look at our website. Before we jump into the walk around on this truck, we want to make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new equipment online, you'll be notified and you'll be able to take a look at it. When we bring our trucks in, they come from customers' trade-ins such as this one or our leasing department. We go through the trucks, weed out the trucks we don't want, keeping the best trucks for our customers to purchase. Once that's done, we do a 150-point check. We go through the cabs, boxes, brakes, engine transmission fluids. Any discrepancies that are found, we run them through our medium shop and our body shop, get those corrected. Once that's done, we do a QC, clean up, and put these things online for y'all to look at. As we said, this is a 2012 Chevrolet G3500. It's a cutaway. It's got a 16-foot box on the back. It's got the Chevrolet Vortec V8 automatic transmission in it. Let's take a look at the inside of this truck real quick. As with most of your cutaway vehicles, we've got a nice captain's chair. We've got a captain's chair for the passenger. This truck has AM/FM radio. It's got the air conditioning. It's got cruise control, and as we said, this does have the Chevy Vortec V8 in it. It's got the automatic transmission in it. This is a very easy truck to drive. And even though this is an older model truck, you can take a look at it, see it was very well taken care of. Really clean, nice ride for you guys to get in and start making you money with. Let's take a look at the business end of the truck real quick. Even though Industrial Power is a Hino and Isuzu dealer, we still bring in other makes and models that manufacturers have. If we feel we can bring them up to our quality, give them the love we need to bring these trucks up in the same condition as we do our product lines that we represent. This truck has a 16-foot Supreme body on the back of it. That's in really good shape. The truck has got really good rubber on it. We got new mud flaps on it. This particular truck has got the fold down landscape ramps on the back of it. It's got the 4-foot dovetail on the back, fold down ramp, and there's a split ramp. We left one up obviously so you can see that they're split, so you can take mowers up one side, or if you need to do both at the same time to get your bigger zero turns up. This body's 16 foot long. It's 85 tall, 96 wide. It's got the plywood sides. It's got the steel scuff on the bottom. It's got D-rings in the side to tie stuff down. It's got a nice aluminum roof in it, dome light in it, and the back door and the floor is in really good shape. Here at Industrial Power, we do have the bigger 26-foot, 24-foot trucks. We've also got the smaller 16, 14-foot vocational type trucks for your landscape needs, such as this one. As we said, we've got a really nice 2012 Chevrolet G3500. It is a 1-ton dually chassis. It's got the 16-foot van body on it that's in really good shape. And even though it is in really good shape, we can still wrap this entire body and the cab if you'd like to with your name, your graphics, your designs, turning that fuel money while you're driving down the road into advertising money, bringing customers back to you. You can go to our website, iptruck.com. Go to our Facebook page or subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell, so every time we put new product on, you will be notified. If you'll stick with us for a minute, we're going to open the hood on this truck, start it up, and do a little more intimate walk around so you can see this thing running. And as always, we appreciate your time.